He must can see them pretty good.
Thomas, you like that?
He can pick them up off the ground.
He likes banana better. Then you have Lulu over there eating a banana.
He'd give Lulu a banana and peanut butter.
Yeah. Here. Ah! No, Thomas. No, Thomas. No, Thomas.
I thought he was going to get that finger, that knuckle.
It wasn't squishy though.
So how bad did you break the chair?
It's cushion.
Lulu, that's Thomas's. Lulu, that's Thomas's.
He sits closer to the arm, and he said where the way the cushion is.
Oh, you sharing with Thomas?
Spot.
Are you sharing with Thomas?
The way Jeff sits, he sits.
You guys are on, you're on video, so
On video.
that, yeah, this is going on YouTube.
Oh,
Whoa!
It's a rose petal, and he wants it.
Not my toe. Not my toe.
He is so
Oh,
hungry.
he is so cool. Look at
oh,
that.
look at that.
What? That's a camera. That's a camera. Lulu. See what he does now. He goes, might have to eat a lot more.